Thank you to Rose Forever for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Hey everybody, and welcome to today's video. We're unboxing our ice cream beauty box for November. This just showed up like super fast. I feel like, anyways, normally I feel like I get it at the end of the month, but we've got it today. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'll be back to put everything on for you all as well. We're gonna do some swatches in today's video, of course, but if you're new here, hello and welcome. My name's Rhonda, and we embrace the hot mess over here because it's a judgment-free, drama-free, stress-free zone where we sit back, relax, we unbox, we play in makeup, we talk about makeup, we just have a good old time over here, and we always keep it cute to put it on mute. Sassy pants are engaged. I hit my, you know what? I hit 44, I broke my collarbone, and I have 0 F's left to give. We're just here to have a good time for a long time. We definitely gonna be keeping it cute or putting it on mute, okay? Before we jump into today's ice cream beauty box unboxing, I do want to give a big thank you and shout out to Rose Forever New York for sponsoring this portion of today's video. Now, you all always see the little roses sitting in the back of my background every time that I'm filming in this room, and these are absolutely amazing. Why? Because they last for a whole flipping year. Actually, I'm gonna tell you right now, they last longer than a year. Y'all go back and watch my videos. You see, I always have this one in the background. So these are real roses. They last a year. They come in a bunch of different colors. They are absolutely amazing. Everything is vegan, and you all, these make the perfect gifts, whether it's your birthday, a housewarming gift, Christmas, what have you, or just to say I love you. I would definitely recommend checking them out. Look at these roses. They are real roses, you all. And then you have the beautiful gold embossing right here on the front. It's in a velvet box, which again is vegan. You can get different color boxes as well as different color flowers, different color sizes. You can do circles, square, what have you, and they are absolutely beautiful. Rose Forever is a New York-based rose brand launched in 2019. They design luxurious rose boxes with natural roses that will last for a year. They use natural oils to preserve the roses, and the bouquets are handcrafted by professional flower artisans. Coupon code HOTMESS will save you $25 off your purchase at Rose Forever. Thank you to Rose Forever for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So if you are looking for a special little gift, or just to say I love you for like just because, definitely check these out. They're not the kind that they're gonna be dead in a flippin' week. No, they literally last for a year or more. All right, so jumping into the ice cream beauty box unboxing, y'all, this is $25 a month, and you are guaranteed a palette every single month. Now, I told you all back a couple years ago when I started unboxing this, if you are looking for a subscription box that legitimately is very makeup heavy, not skincare heavy, this is gonna be the box that you're gonna want. So it is a monthly subscription. You can cancel it anytime, and the nice thing about it, like I said, is you're gonna get a palette. Now, if you want a smaller version, they actually, I was playing around on their website and I saw that they actually have the box, which I'm unboxing for you all today, and then they have like a bag version as well, which costs a little bit less. But for your makeup lover out there and you're looking for a Christmas gift, this is something else you might want to consider. So like I said, $25. You are going to get a little card. It's going to tell you what is in this box with a retail value. The first thing that I see in here is quite intriguing. This is the Joy, I don't even know how to say it, Joyce Bonelli Cosmetics. It's a flawless setting spray with SPF 25. Oh, with SPF in it. SPF 15, it's a retail value of $25. Ooh, okay. It looks like a perfume bottle. Okay. Nothing really like scenty. Maybe like a hint of a scent. Okay, yeah, there's a scent there. I'm not a huge fan of the scent. I probably should have shook it up a little bit better, but the scent dissipates, so that's nice. So we'll see by the end of today's video if those two little pumps did anything, like as far as causing, you know, some of them will cause like real dewy, like too dewy look. We will definitely see. Next in here we have the Beached Blush. So this is the Bo Bay Beauty Beached Blush, and it has a $25 retail value. That's the color on the back. I forgot to bring my scissors in here. Gosh darn it. Come on, nails, don't break. Nope, it's not gonna happen. Hold on, let me go get my scissors. Alright, I got my safety scissors because I am klutzy. I even have grippers on my socks because I fell downstairs. I broke my tailbone like 2 years ago because of it. Yeah. Ooh, okay, so this is what the compact looks like. Nice and shiny. Shiny! Da, 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 da. Ooh, pretty! I like this color a lot. That is absolutely stunning. Ooh, yes, I like that a lot. That is a really pretty color. And if I didn't say it, I will be back to be trying all of this stuff on, but I thought it would be fun to do like a swatch video and then come back and play around. The next item in here is by Illuminati Cosmetics. This is the Liquid Luxe Lip Gloss. It does have a retail value of $21. And this is what it looks like. I always say that these things literally are like a secret weapon you could keep in your purse if you need a little something. Anywho, I do believe I actually have this particular lip gloss in my collection. I know I've received a couple of them before, so I will definitely show you all in my try on video of this color. But I will say I actually do like the Illuminati Cosmetics lip glosses, and with this day and age it's always good to have a little extra protection. Ding. Yo, this time change has messed with me, okay? Let me just tell you all, not that no one cares, but I'm a Gemini with ADHD, so you chose to click on the channel, the first word's hot mess, okay? That's a you problem, sweetie. Anyways, this time change, first of all, I thought we got rid of it. So right when my body finally starts adjusting to the time, they're like, we're gonna give you another hour, which I truly do appreciate. Like, I'd love to get all the sleep possible, but here's the dealio. In the evening, my body's on like the whole new time. Like, oh, look at that. It's not really 10 o'clock, it's 9 o'clock, so stay up. So 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, woo, go to bed. And then my body reverts back to old time. And instead of getting up at like old time, 6:15, 6:30, 6:45, it's like 5:15. And I'm like, why are you like this? I don't like it. I don't want to be part of the 5 a.m. club. Yes, that's the thing. There's like a whole Pinterest board of the 5 a.m. club. I am a 6:30 a.m. clubber. Do not. So, my brain, I'm like, this is getting a little out of control. Anywho's it. Moving on to the next item in here. This is the Lash Step Matte About You. This is an eyeshadow palette, has a retail value of $45, and it's almost kind of gives me like close to a Pat McGrath. You know how they put them in like the gold bags, only there's no sequin in here. So y'all know I do love some matte eyeshadows. So here's the case. It kind of has like a matte covering to it, and then of course like the chromey color in the back. Plastic. My Thrive Market order just came, y'all, and I'm really excited. And then Built Bar, hold on, I'm gonna sidetrack once again. 10 left-hand turns, it's okay. Look at this, Built Bar sent over a box of new flavors. Can we just talk about, because I'm really hungry right now. And my Thrive Market just arrived, some Built Bar just showed up. We've got some new candy cane brownie puffs. You know the puffs are some of my favorite bars. The snickerdoodle is, oh, it is so good. This is the one I was munching on my Ipsy video. Delicious. The puffs, to me, I get so excited over. Like, I love them. Typically, I always told you all, like, the regular Built Bars, like, I was like, oh yeah, they're so good. That's what got me going. And then they sent over some puffs one time and I tried it and I'm like, oh, this is even better. So now they came out with, like I said, the candy cane brownie. Then they came out with a white chocolate peppermint granola bar. And okay, we're just gonna sidetrack. I'm gonna take a bite because I'm really hungry at this point. I've never tried their granola, but this is what it looks like. And this is, like I said, white peppermint granola bar. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my god. Okay, that is not what I expected at all. This is freaking amazing. Please hold. I'm really sorry, guys. You know when you get really hungry and you're like, Before I finish it, I wanted to show you all the inside of it. I was expecting it to be very like crunchy granola-y. It's not. It has substance in here and it tastes so flipping good. And on top of that, I've tried the white coating bars before and I didn't like it. It was the birthday one. Like, they were okay, but they weren't my favorite. This I love. And here's the thing, white chocolate peppermint. I'm not a peppermint person, but this is really good. It's like almost like a thin mint cookie, which I love their, I think it was called grasshopper bars or something I had. So good. That's what these remind me of. I don't know, can you guys see? Look at that. It is so good. I want to save it as a dessert. That's what I'll do. I was gonna finish it. Oh, one more bite. I'll save the last bite for my dessert. The granola ones, yes. Cookie dough is a good one. Cookie dough has chunks of cookie dough in here. They've even got a candy cane brownie one. I'm so excited over these new flavors. I'm not for sure when these are gonna release, but you can tell your girl's hungry. And be watching, because I'm gonna have a Thrive Market video coming too. So they had like some ramen noodles, but it was like a low carb version of a ramen. And I'm like, oh, okay. Wow, talk about left hand turn. I tell y'all all the time, protein is super important, especially when we hit 40. Your body needs it, and not only are they high in protein, they're low in sugar. You get 15 grams of protein and 150 calories. These are so amazing. Okay, back to this. This looks freaking bougie. Does this not look like a Makeup by Mario palette? Is it Makeup by Mario? I don't know, but my God, this is pretty. This is a neutral lover's dream, and they're all mattes. I'm gonna do some swatches for you all. They feel really nice. Not for sure if you can see the colors. It's so funny, I didn't film yesterday, and the day before I filmed a bunch of like try on hauls and everything, and I haven't sat down and like filmed makeup unboxings, I feel like, in a few days, and I feel so rusty. This formula is really nice. I mean, granted, these are just swatches, but I'm excited. This is a definite everyday palette for me. I really like it. And I could see also, hold on, I got wipey somewhere. I could also see, like today I've got the Tinseltown pink, and it's the pink one and the white for Cosmetics glitter pencil topper on here. So that would be perfect to pair with this palette if you do want some shimmer. Anyways, I actually really like this, and I've never heard of Lash Step before, but I really do think that I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this palette for sure. So anywho, the last item in here is a Cheeky Rose Beauty brush. Now, I feel like I have a lot of these, so I'm not going to open this particular brush, or I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna use this particular brush, so I will put this in a future giveaway for you all. But I know these were super popular a while back, so that's why I've got a lot in my collection, because I like subscription boxes, and this is a great way to grow your tools and makeup collection, is by subscription boxes. So let me know y'all's thoughts down below. As far as this setting spray goes, I don't feel like it did anything to my makeup. I think it made everything stay. That was also through me eating, sidetracking, and everything else. But for $25, I love Eyescream Beauty Box. Thank you to Eyescream Beauty Box for sending everything over my way to unbox. I get so excited every time I see this little box. I'm like, yee! So anyways, if you guys do want to check out Built Bar, save yourself 10%, use code HOTMESS, and you can use that over and over and over again. Thank you once again to Rose Forever New York for sending this over my way. They did give us a coupon code HOTMESS. It's going to save you $25 off your order over there. You know that with the holidays coming up, for that certain somebody that's always hard to buy for, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. And like I said, just to say I love you. And they have a bunch of different sizes, and I am proof that they last for sure a whole year. A whole year. I've had this just sitting back there, living its best life. Absolutely beautiful. Real quick, shout out and thank you to my YouTube members. You don't have to help support this channel, but you choose to, and I appreciate each and every single one of y'all. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. You guys are the best. That is all for today's video. Make sure to check my description box down below. I feel like the first video I always film, coming back to filming, is like, whoo, all over the place. So I appreciate it if y'all made it to the end of today's video. I've got a PR unboxing to do. My Thrive Market is here and lots more content coming your way. So don't forget to check out my other channel for some plus size Scripper Girl fashion hauls over there, as well as I'm on TikTok and Instagram at hotmessmomma4, and I'm just everywhere. You just never know what you're gonna get. If you're curious about my makeup, it is my SEINT cream makeup. I am obsessed with it. Yes, I'm gonna say that. My blush, ooh, if you guys have not tried Euphoria blushers, 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. They're flipping amazing. My lips are Gerard Cosmetics, which they've been having a huge lipstick sale. Definitely check them out. It's Underground, Buttercup, and buttercream gloss on top, and then I did line my lips with Bel Air lip liner. It's like 60% off their lips, and they're gonna have a huge Black Friday sale coming, so definitely stock up over there. On my eyes, I have my Ofra Cosmetics palette, my collab palette with them, as well as the pink and white Tinseltown shadows, and I think that's it. All right, friends, I will catch you all in the next video. Until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye.